Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on changing your website theme in WordPress quickly and efficiently. In this presentation, we will walk through every step you need to follow, ensuring that you feel confident about the process. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. As you load the homepage, take a moment to appreciate the clean interface that WordPress provides, making your website management both smooth and enjoyable. Once you have landed on the WordPress site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the login button. Click on this button to begin accessing your account. The login process is designed to be straightforward, and by clicking on the login option, you set the stage for a secure connection to your website's control panel. After you click login, the next step involves signing in using your Google account. Instead of entering a username and password directly, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. This streamlined feature not only saves time but also leverages the security benefits of your Google account. Click on the Continue with Google button to proceed with your login, ensuring that your website remains secure and accessible. Following this, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you wish to use for signing in. If you have several accounts configured in your browser, simply select the one associated with your WordPress site. This selection process is important as it guarantees that the correct account is linked to the website you want to customize. Once you have successfully logged in, the focus shifts to the next stage of customization, changing the website theme. Start by navigating to the Appearance section within your WordPress dashboard. The Appearance area is where you manage the overall look and feel of your website. Clicking on Appearance will reveal various customization options, such as layout elements, color schemes, and widgets. In the Appearance section, find and click on My Themes. This action directs you to a list of available themes that you can use on your site. Here you will see a variety of theme options that reflect different design styles and layouts. Carefully look over the available themes until you find the one that best suits your vision for your website. This selection process is crucial because the theme sets the tone for your site's visual identity. After reviewing your options, choose the theme you prefer for your website. Making this selection is a significant step since it determines the aesthetic and user experience of your site. Once you have decided on the new theme, locate the Activate button. Clicking on Activate will apply the theme to your website immediately. Activating a theme is straightforward and can give your site a refreshed and updated appearance with just one click. By following these detailed instructions carefully, you have now successfully changed your website theme in WordPress. The process is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that even users with limited technical expertise can enjoy a seamless website customization experience. Enjoy your newly styled site and the enhanced visual appeal it brings to your online presence.